Hi there, welcome back to the next video, and in this video I will show you one of the functions similar to before. You have after. So after works very opposite to before. If you have seen my previous video, we talked about before, which basically goes back to one column back and gives you the value which is prior to the current column, and then you can do manipulation as per your needs, right? So for Q2 we have the value of Q2 as well as Q1 over here. Now with the help of this two values we can do whatever calculations that we want in this column. Alright, now similar to this we have after. So if I go ahead and within the measure of this pivot table, if I click on add, go to fx, and within this if I say after and after sum of sales. Alright, so very simple, after sum of sales, and I am not specifying anything else apart from that. That means I want to go only one step after. That means from the current cell I want to go to immediate next cell. Let's say if I want to jump from current cell to second cell or basically the third cell, then I would say 3. So that means in Q1 I will have Q3 value. Alright, so for now I will just close this, click apply, and let me show you in the front end what I mean by that. I know it's a bit complex when I explain it here. So if I do this, so if you see, sum of sales is current sale is here, after that sum of sale is here, and this is nothing but Q2, right? Let's say if I wanted to go on Q3 on the right hand side, Q3, I would have just set the second because this is 1. I want to go to one step. If I have specified 2, it would be Q3. If I have specified 3, that means it would be Q4. So based on that, I can go whatever way I want and get any value on my current cell. If I am Q1, I can get either Q2, Q3, Q4 based on what parameters I am specifying. So that's about how you can apply all of these different changes based on the above, before, after, and below and above function, which we have been discussing in the past few videos, and get the manipulation as per your business rules or business needs. So that's pretty much it I had in this video, and I will meet you in the new video, the new topic.